Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D cartoon tutorial on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you can add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And now after this, in here you just click on the clip and then click on the style. And after this, in here you can swipe until you can see 3D cartoon. This one, you just click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. And finish. So that's how to make a 3D cartoon effect on CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.